Hello and welcome back to the Cutover training series. In this video, we will explore how to use our Microsoft Teams integration task. I will show you how to add this task to a runbook, we'll walk through the authentication process, and take a look at the task running in action. Let's get started. Here we have an example recovery plan runbook to use for this session. I want to add the Microsoft Teams task to the runbook here to send a message notifying the team that the prep for failover tasks are now complete. Press the plus icon to create a new blank task. I will name it Prep for Failover Complete. Don't forget to press Enter. Clicking on the task will open the Tasks Details panel on the right-hand side of the screen. Here we can see that the task type is currently set to Normal. Let's change it. We can scroll through until we reach the integration tasks. I will select Microsoft Teams. A new set of parameters for this task are now available. Because this is the first time I'm using this integration, a message has appeared asking to authenticate with Microsoft. Clicking the Authenticate button opens a secure page where you must log in to your Microsoft account. This will generate your OAuth token for the integration to link Cutover to your MS Teams and allow you to select a Teams channel to post to. Once you have verified your account details, you are automatically taken back to the Cutover runbook, where we can see new options have appeared to add message content and choose the correct channel to post to. Pretty cool, right? Type the message you want to send in this box. Next, you have the ability to search for any of your MS Teams channels right from within Cutover. There we go. Now the correct channel is chosen, we are ready to start this runbook. So that we can see how this integration works in real time, I have brought up Teams on the right of the screen and I have Cutover on the left. Let's press the play button in the top right-hand corner. I'm going to choose Live Run from the options and now press Start Runbook. Once the task starts, we can see that the message is being sent. Very quickly, it has appeared in my MS Teams channel, and a moment later we get a notification in Cutover saying that the task is finished. One very useful feature is that there is a link in the MS Teams message that will take the user directly to that runbook in Cutover. You can see how this integration offers incredible flexibility for communicating with your MS Teams channels quickly and efficiently. For more information about using our range of integrations, please speak to your customer success manager. Thank you for watching Cutover Training.